Are you Gloria? Yeah. Are you Gloria?
Yes, sir.
Asamoah from Kumasi.
Yes, sir.
From Kumasi.
Yes, sir.
You are not in the house.
Hey, the prophetic.
You are not in the house.
The eye of the God.
Can I go deeper?
Go deeper, Papa.
Can I go deeper?
Go deeper. Push it.
Have we met before?
Yes, sir.
Oh, she doesn't know what she's talking about.
She doesn't know.
I mean, have we met face to face? Talk to me.
Yes, Papa. We met at the warehouse yesterday.
Oh, she doesn't know what she's
Papa,
talking
help
about.
this young lady.
She doesn't need help.
She needs help, Papa. Help
She
her.
doesn't know me.
The bulldozer
I
himself.
am the bulldozer himself.
That's right. You
The
cannot miss
prophetic
it.
bulldozer.
Prophetic bulldozer.
Can I go deeper?
Go deeper, Papa.
Can I help this lady?
Help this young lady.
I see the realm of the spirit.
Push it, Papa.
16th of May 2020.
Cuts.
Your father died.
Push it.
That is what the Lord is showing me.
Push it, Papa.
Your father died 16th May 2020. Talk to me. Talk to me.
My father is not dead. My father is currently in Kumasi, very strong and healthy.
Cuts. She doesn't know what he's talking about. The prophetic bulldozer.
Oh, she doesn't know.
She needs help, Papa. Help this young lady.
I know what I'm talking about.
The bulldozer
I
himself.
say your father died 19th May 2020. Talk to me.
Papa, my father is not dead. My father is currently in